Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good morning to Prof. Hikmah and my fellow friends. Here we meet again in the next video. So now week 9. For the progress on my proposal, I already almost complete write my proposal. So for the previous video, we talk about the chapter 1 and chapter 2. So now in this video, we are going to overview about the whole proposal. Okay. So again, my topic research is about the ionic conductivity and ionic transport studies of DMC, plasticized CMC with ammonium thiocyanate for protonic energy storage. Then we go to the chapter 3. Chapter 3 is the research. Okay, research methodology. In research methodology, chapter 3, we tell the general review about what we are going to investigate. So the flowchart here, the process to conduct the experiment. First, we dissolve 2 grams of CMC with distilled water, then add the ammonium thiocyanate into the CMC solution. Case the mixture into several petri dish, then add the plasticizer DMC at the different weight percentage. Then we will observe the ionic conductivity using Arrhenius equation. Okay. Next, the material selection. Material selection is about the list of chemical, list of apparatus, and list of equipment that we are used in this experiment. As I already mentioned in the week 7, what the apparatus, equipment, and chemical that we are going to use. So here, CMC as a host, ammonium thiocyanate as a salt, dimethyl carbonate as a plasticizer, and distilled water as a solvent. We buy all of this material at the Sigma Outreach. So the apparatus: aluminum foil, conical flask, desiccator, magnetic bar, petri dish, and silica gel. We are going to make 11 samples in the experiment. The equipment that we are use EIS, electrochemical impedance spectroscopy, to observe the ionic conductivity, Fourier transform infrared FTIR, magnetic stirrer, transparent number of measurement, and 10M X-ray diffraction. Then the sample preparation. Sample preparation is about the process, and the solution casting technique is what technique we are going to complete the experiment. So in this research, we are going to use the solution casting technique. For the sample characterization, is about the equipment that we are used to measure the ionic conductivity. So in this research, we are going to use EIS Hioki 353250 LCR high tester. Okay, then the electrochemical impedance spectroscopy, EIS, then FTIR, Fourier transform infrared spectrometer, transparent number of measurement, X-ray diffraction. Under sample characterization is about the equipment that we are used to conduct the experiment. So for the next chapter is about the expected result and discussion. expected result and discussion, since this is only at the proposal, not the complete thesis, so we already have, we only expect the result, not knowing the real result yet. So for the conductivity study, so the expected result is answer to our objective. So I refer to the Prof research and NAMNO. The research is investigate about the CMC with ammonium thiocyanate, and to improve the ionic conductivity. In my research, I am going to add the plasticizer, which is diamantic carbonate. Okay. So which means in the chapter 4, we briefly answer the objective. So on the next chapter, planning is about the overview, which means the duration we take for doing this research. So in the introduction, I briefly tell approximately from when I start to write this proposal. So we look in detail at the Gantt chart. Okay, in this Gantt chart, is approximately the period to do this proposal. So as we can see, from the February we already find the topics. Then March we preparing proposal. April request material. May running experiment. Okay, from the May and the next month, we are just approximate the period, the duration, because we are not running the experiment yet. So this is just the expected. So after that, we will collect the data, and then this is data will cost long period, 2 months. Then this is writing, 2 months, October to November. Then the poster presentation, and last one on January 2020 is the handbound copy submission. Is the final step of the research of the thesis. So this is the project milestone. The project milestone is same as the Gantt chart, is the which we briefly tell about the duration, the period we take for doing this proposal. So at the last chapter is a conclusion. Since we are not running the experiment yet, so the conclusion is going to tell about the expected result. I mean, I refer to the previous research that use CMC dot with ammonium thiocyanate. So as the conclusion, I add the plasticizer to increase the ionic conductivity and ionic transport. So last one, the bibliography is the journal, article or link that we refer to complete this proposal. Okay, that's all. This is my complete proposal, but looking forward for prof to check and correct my mistakes, so I will improve in the thesis writing, in the next thesis writing. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.